everyone, we are here in the Eton factory, and it's a factory that builds the space capsule house. And today I will show you the details of our materials. The installation of our materials use the polyurethane foam more than 3 millimeters and the extruded board more than 6 millimeters thick, and the overall insulation layers more than 10 millimeters, so the insulation effect is very obvious. And this is our galvanized steel structure. It's hot dip galvanized with a layer of zinc, and as you can see, our main beam is 5.5 millimeters thick, and the 150 multiplied 150 is very durable and strong. It can hold high winds and earthquakes.